focus on a Midcap Spotlight segment. We are speaking about the Midcap IT space now. There's a note that has come out by Kotak Institutional Equities. There's a lot more happening in the sector.
Yes, so Nifty IT continues to do very well. That index is up nearly 1%. But in that, the Kotak note is talking about the ER&D players, which basically is your Tata Elxsi, the KPIT, Cyient, Persistent, LTTS. These are the 5 ER&D players. Now, Kotak is most bullish on Cyient. This is where they see a maximum upside, and they've put the target price at 1950. So amongst all the 5 ER&D players, there is only one buy rating. On Persistent, also they're bullish. They have an add rating, though, not a buy. So the upside is more limited. But on the other 3 companies, Tata Elxsi, L&T Tech, KPITTech, they have a sell call. And their target price implies a downside from current levels. The key reason is these 3 companies' valuations are very, very high. That's the FY25 picture, which we'll explain, right? Cyient, as I said, they're most bullish. They've got a buy rating because valuations are comfortable. But look at KPITTech or Tata Elxsi. Valuations they're saying at 43, 49 times is very high, and it implies these companies need to grow at 20% for the next 10 years. Every single year for the next 10 years, you're saying these companies' top line needs to grow at close to about 20%. That, according to them, is unreasonable, which is why they've got a sell call on Tata Elxsi KPIT, the most expensive, with valuations of 40, 50 times FY25 PE. Cyient valuations are reasonable. It's at a significant discount to its peers. Therefore, they like Cyient. Persistent, that's the one where they have an add rating. They acknowledge that Persistent is also expensive. Valuations are on the higher side. But considering the company has been the fastest growing, they have a higher growth potential compared to peers, they've given an add rating to Persistent.
Okay, interesting moves, and look at the valuation gap, right? Cyient versus the others. So, as Reema was pointing out, according to these valuations, they'll have to at least grow by 20% in next couple of years. Okay, so that's all about the mid-cap IT space. We'll do one thing, we'll take your leave.